3.10, determining differentiability from a graph. Try saying that word, differentiability. Well, differentiability is, can you take the derivative at that value? So if the derivative is undefined, that means a vertical tangent line. Because remember, vertical lines have undefined slope. In other words, it's where the slope at a particular x value doesn't exist. So there's other times where it's undefined. Remember we saw that sharp corner or a cusp? That is not differentiable because your slopes coming from the left and the right are different values. This is negative, this is positive. So that is going to be non-differentiable. The only other thing is if you have a discontinuity, that can be a jump, that can be a hole or removable, and that can be an asymptote. So it says use the graph of the function f to determine all values of x in the interval from -9 to 9 where it's not differentiable. So we don't want to count the end. We're not looking at the -9. We're looking within the interval. So here would be a problem because I have a jump. So they're at -7. And then this is all good. That would be a 0, so that's fine. Here, though, becomes a vertical. That's a problem. So that's at x is -3. We flatten out. 0's fine. This is not getting vertical, but the problem is there's an asymptote here at 2, and that's a problem because then it's not continuous. Flattens out, and then should be good. So it's those 3 spots where it's not differentiable. And then one more, determine where it's continuous but not differentiable. So here, we already said that's not differentiable, but it's also not continuous. So we're looking for where is it continuous, but we can't take the derivative. This is the problem here. Because this is continuous. I don't ever pick my pen or pencil up to continue here. But a corner has 2 different slopes coming from the left and the right. So at x equals -5 is a problem. Happens again here at x is 2. It's continuous, but it's not differentiable. Here is back to, okay, well, it's not even differentiable, and it's not continuous, and then we end. So it should just be those 2 corners or cusps that you see.